You mind if I leave here this one? Just so I need to measure the room temperature.
Yeah. When you had that in your pocket. Did you have this thermometer in your pocket?
Yes.
Okay.
That's usually what I measure the temperature.
Okay.
Can I check the vent in your apartment?
Yeah,
Right,
I just wanted to make sure because I know if you had it in your pocket, it already has body heat on it. Yeah, you can go ahead. Now I'm having an issue at nighttime. It doesn't feel like this in here at night. At nighttime is much chillier in here, and I noticed that there's a lot of black soot coming out these vents. Cause I've been wiping the windowsill every single day, and every single day I'm wiping up like white soot.
Just you want to take a picture?
No, let me see. Yeah, so this is the thermometer you had. You had it in your pocket already, so okay.
All right, I gotta put this in here. I just want you to record my face, please, if you don't mind.
Oh no, I'm not. I just recorded the thermometer.
Thank
I'm
you
just
so much.
recording our conversation and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, because at nighttime it doesn't. At nighttime it doesn't feel like that in here. It feels much.
Okay.
It feels much cooler.
I'll keep monitoring that.
Let me see.
Yes, that's it. I still like the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't have you on here. I just got the thermometer on here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, because at nighttime it does not feel like this in here at all. It gets much colder. And I was explaining to your repair guy that I don't know what's going on with it, because if I close this door, like when it got really, really cold, before it got really, really cold, I could close this door and it got hot, but it wasn't that cold outside. But if I leave this open, it won't circulate the heat in here like that at night. So in the nighttime, it drops down. It drops down a lot, and it doesn't. I can't even feel that.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.
I was trying to get them to come out at nighttime, so they, in the evening, closer to 6 o'clock, closer to when it really gets chillier, to tell the difference. Now, what's going on with this black soot coming out here? Because I have COPD, and this black dust coming out. I've been cleaning this window since I got here, and this is what's building up. That means that's coming out of that vent in some kind of way. I have a camera too that's picking up particles flying around in the air, and that you could tell that it's breezy in here. At nighttime, I was monitoring it at night. Now, like right now, the air that's blowing out of here is not the same as at nighttime. So at nighttime, this is not that hot.
Okay.
So I don't know if your building staff has a main control where they can turn it up when they get here. But at nighttime, I'm just saying, I don't know. I'm new here. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, because at nighttime, it doesn't feel anywhere like this.
Okay.
And I was telling your repair guy, Andrew, the same thing. When he came in here, it doesn't feel like that at nighttime at all. Like it doesn't feel like it feels totally different. So like I said, I was asking him like what was going on, because if it feels like this now, and that's really like a warm temperature that's coming out, it should be hotter than that at night, because it's colder at night. If it goes by the temperature, Phil was telling me that it goes by the temperature outside. So outside in the evening, the temperature drops, that should get hotter than that, because I have it on full. I have it all the way on blast. Andrew turned it on blast, and I left it, the way he left it. It's all we turned on. So at nighttime, it doesn't even, I can't even shower at night. I can't get in the shower. I get in the shower like around this time, because I know it's a little bit, warmer. But at nighttime, it gets much hotter. Now the black soot that's coming out there, when is the last time those vents were cleaned out?
Just cleaned out before I moved in. Unless if something stuck up in there, we'd be happy to clean it.
Okay.
Okay.
So they were cleaned out prior to me moving in?
Yes.
Now, what's up with the bathroom? Is that a vent? Is that a heater vent that's in the bathroom, or is that a vent like the suck out?
Vent suck out.
Okay, because I noticed that it doesn't have like a motor or anything.
No, it's in the roof.
Okay.
Yes, it's in the roof.
Yeah, and that has a lot of if I'll let you look at that.
Yeah.
That has a lot of It has a lot of debris built up in there too. You see that? That's the same thing. That's the same kind of stuff that's in that heater that's in my bedroom and that's in that living room. So if you just cleaned that out, I just got here. If you just, it's no way that could have been just cleaned out.
Yeah.
Because there's too much stuff in here. You know,
So we'll be happy to arrange with you and come up in here and take them off and clean them.
Okay.
Just reach out to Phil. What the best day and time for you? We'll be happy to.
Tomorrow. I mean, I can do it tomorrow. Let me double check.
Yeah.
I definitely.